the mystery behind kundal. Kundal. Kundal means earring. But in Krishna Lila, Sri Krishna Ji, Shyam Sundar, Govinda, he wears very characteristic kundal, earrings. And these are called makar kundal. Kundal means earring. Makar means these are earrings that have the design, if you see them cut and designed, they're in gold or silver, with jewels embedded in them, very beautiful. And they hang from Krishna's ear, and they go down some distance. They hang to his cheek. They dangle here. They're quite large earrings. And these kundal represent a wahan, a deva wahan. Wahan means a carrier, a vehicle, like an airplane. So the different devas, they have different wahans.